Hi YouTube, welcome back to another video from Wtf Rc Cars. So, just a nice quick one. Basically, all my batteries have got the Dean's T-style connectors on. This Tamiya's got the original ESC that comes with them, and it's the normal Tamiya style plug, and we don't have any batteries that run it other than the one that goes in the Revo electric starter. So, what we're going to need is a Dean's T-style connector, and I prefer to use these with little caps on. Saves having to mess around with heat shrink. So first thing we're going to want to do is get rid of the body shell. Now these connectors, you can buy tools to release them, but you still end up cutting plugs off. So let's start with getting rid of the plugs. So I'm just going to cut these straight off, and then we're going to want to bear a little tiny bit of cable back. And the outer coating of these comes off pretty easy. They're really rubbery, like a real soft rubberized coating on them. So I find if you just carefully roll it along a knife blade, you can get them off. And these little connectors, these do have the positive and negative on them. So it's the one that's facing across the plug that's always your positive, but failing that, if you just look at the opposite plug on your battery, you can see which way they go in. So we've got positive facing across the plug, negative facing straight down. So let's get the soldering iron switched on, and we'll get these soldered in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is tin these wires. I'll try and do this in a way that you can at least attempt to see what I'm doing. And all we're looking to do here is get a nice bit of solder flowing on the wires. Let's get a little bit more heat on the go. And as soon as the wire starts getting hot enough, you can tell the solder just flows into the wire. So you also want to get the solder flowing on the actual connector, so it's nice and neat. And watch your fingers with this, because these get hot really quick, the Dean's T-style connectors. And if you're using one of the connectors like I am, you're going to want to get this cover onto your wires first. Then I would suggest getting a pair of pliers. And then let's have a look what's the best way to get to these. So all you need to do is make sure they're soldered on nice and strong, and then you can just clip the cover down before you plug it in. If like these they've got the plus and minus on, it's quite easy, but before you plug it in, if you just look at the layout of the cables, make sure your cables are where they should be, and then you're fine to plug in. And there we have it, we've got it powered up and looking for the transmitter. Right, so there we have it, all connected, all finished. Soldering iron's turned off and cooling down so we don't set fire to anything or burn his fingers off. But thanks again for watching WTF Rc Cars. If you like this kind of video or find it useful or interesting, don't forget to hit a like, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and I'll catch you guys again in the next one.